Hi there, my name is Miss Sunny. Today I'm going to be helping you with two-digit addition with replacement. Now the first thing we're going to need are two-digit numbers. What's a two-digit number? Can you remember? It's a number that has two numbers in it, so anything more than 10. So let's start with 36 and 17. Now we have to remember that we have tens and units. So the tens, 36. So 36. Our other number is going to be 17. 17 is 1 and 7, so we have 1 10. And 7 units. So good with me so far? Okay, now we do our plus sign. And we make our line here so that we know where to put the answer. And now all we have to do is add them together. So let's do our units first. So what is 6 and 7? 6 and 7 should be 13. So we can't write this. No. We only need the 3 right there because the 3 is the units. The 1, we're going to carry it. This little man, he's carrying the 1 on his back and it's kind of heavy. And so we're going to walk it all the way up here. We're going to put a little 1 here just to remember that there's a 1 that we're going to need there. So now let's add up the tens. That's all we had to do for the units. We added up the 6 and the 7, it was 13. Now let's add up all the tens. We have a 3 here and a 1, and 3 and 1 is 4. Good job. And we have one more here from our units. So we're going to add that one in too. So that's going to be 5 tens. And we're going to just write that right here. Easy peasy. Shall we do another one? Let's do one more. There we go. There we go. And we'll get rid of that one. Okay. This time let's do 15 and 19. So 15, 1, and 5. And 19, 1, and 9. Okay. So we're going to do the units first. What is 5 and 9? 14. Good. So here's 4, the 14. And then where does the 1 go? In the tens. So the little guy, he's going to be running up here. We're going to leave the 1 right here in the tens column where it belongs. So we have 1 here and 1 here, which is 2. And we have our 10 from being carried over. And that is our 3. So we have 3 tens all together. So what is our answer? 34. Good job. You're following. Okay, here's our last example. And then I'm going to ask you to do some. All right? When we have 25 and 15. Okay, so we're going to write our 25, 2 tens, 25, and then 15, 1 and 5. Okay, what's 5 and 5? 10, exactly. So 10, it's 1 and 0. We'll put our 0 down here, and we'll carry our little 1 all the way up here. Put a circle around it so you don't forget it. And then 2 and 1, 3, plus 1, 4. So 25 and 15 is 40. You got it? You want to try some on your own? Let's do that. I bet you can do it. I'm going to rub all this off. And I'm going to give you 3 different ones to do. So we'll do, that was We did 3 together. There's number 4. Let's do 58 and 33. 58 plus 33. And let's do another one, number 5. Actually, you know what? Let me move this one down a bit. Otherwise, we might get a little confused. We don't want that. So for number 5, we'll do 21 and 29. 21, 29. Add our plus sign in. And our last line. And then I think for number 6, we will do 36 and 47. Here's 36 and 47. All right, I'll give you guys some time. Try to work those out on your own. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do those together. All right? Okay, so 58 and 33. What's the first thing we're going to do? Put the tens and units in so that we don't get mixed up. Okay, now who can tell me, what is 8 plus 3? 11, good. So there's 1. There's a 1. And then our other 1 goes up here. We'll put a circle around it. Now, 5 plus 3 is 8. And then plus 1 more would be 9. So 58 plus 33 is 91. Look at that. You're almost counting up to 100. That's great. Let's try number 5. 21 and 29. Again, we're going to put our tens in units. Right there. 9 and 1, 10. Okay. There's our 0. Our 1 goes up here. Loop a circle. 2 plus 2 is 4. Good. Yeah, I heard you. And then with 1 more, 5. 21 and 29 is 50. Okay, and our last one, number 6, 36 plus 47. Let's try it without putting the tens and units in this time, just to see if we can do it. Okay, do our units first. 6 and 7 is, can anyone tell me? 13, all right. So 13, we put the 3 down here, and our 1 up here. Now what do? We add our tens, and the tens are 3 and 4 and 1. Let's do the 3 and the 4 first. 7 plus 1, 8. Good. 83. You guys are doing such a great job. I am so proud of you. I really hope that I get to see y'all again real soon. And that was 2-digit addition with replacement or with carrying.